Drawing easy for kids.
Hello, my friends. We are going to draw baby bingo today. Let's get start drawing. Let's start with her eyes. Then I draw her smiling mouth.
Oh, so round, rolling quickly all across the ground.
Let's complete her eyes.
Bounciest ball you've ever seen. Bouncing here, bouncing there, bouncing, bouncing.
Then I draw her nose.
Bouncing low, bouncing ball. Let's go, let's go.
And her eyebrow.
It rolls on the floor and up the wall.
Then I draw the shape of her head.
For one and all. Through the garden.
Then let's continue with her body.
Awake and alive, it never sleeps.
I draw her arm with one of her hands. She is waving.
Bouncing, bouncing everywhere. Bouncing high, bouncing low, bouncing ball. Let's go, let's go.
Then I draw her pants.
A whirlwind of color, so wild and free. Over the hills, under the sun. Our bouncing ball adventures never done. Bouncing here, bouncing there.
And then I draw her legs.
Bouncing high, bouncing low, bouncing ball. Let's go, let's go. As the stars appear in the night sky, the ball rests gently with a soft sigh.
Then I draw her triangle-shaped ears.
Play, ready to bounce another day.
In the heart of a bright sunny day, where the butterflies dance and the kittens play, where the sky is so blue.
Finally, I draw her patches around her body.
We'll go on an adventure in the warm sunlight. Jump and laugh, twirl around. Hear the
Then I'm going to draw the ball.
In a world where dreams come true, every day is fun and new.
Then I draw some flowers. Good job, my friends. Let's start coloring with white color. Cream color.
We'll chase the breeze and watch the leaves swirl. Jump and laugh, twirl around. Hear the happy, cheerful sound. In a world where dreams come true, every day is fun.
Tint color.
Under the sun,
Cream color.
dancing, feel the joy that each day can bring.
Black color. Red color. Orange color.
Inhale all night until navigation, yes, sail out king. As you see, we're the world with a happy, cheerful sound. In a world where dreams come true, every day is fun and
Blue color.
In a world, hear the happy, cheerful sound. In a world
How cute is Baby Bingo?
every day is fun. As the sun sets, we'll say goodnight with hearts full of joy and faces bright. We'll dream of adventures soon to come in the beautiful
Gray color.
hearts of one.
Then we are going to coloring the ball with red color. Yellow color.
Bouncy, bouncy ball.
Green
Also
color.
rolling quickly all across the ground. Red, blue,
Purple
yellow,
color.
and green, the bounciest ball you've ever
Leaf
seen.
green color.
Bouncing here,
Sandy
bouncing
brown
there,
color.
bouncing, bouncing everywhere.
Blue
Bouncing
color.
high, bouncing low,
Wow,
bouncing
look,
low.
the
Let's
ball
go,
is
let's go.
colorful. Orange color. Yellow color. Pink color.
It rolls on the floor and up the
What is your
wall.
favorite color?
A magical sight for one and all.
Then red color.
It takes a leap.
Yellow color. We are almost done.
It never sleeps.
And the last color is blue. Good job, my friends.
Bouncing, bouncing everywhere. Bouncing high, bouncing low.
See you in the
Bouncing
next
low.
video.
Let's go.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.